This is a session on problem solving using normal distribution and standard normal curve. So I have already provided you the problems. The first question, practical question, that is the income of a group of 10,000 persons. So number of persons. So I'm trying to solve question number one. Number of persons, how many? 10,000. Uh, to be normally distributed. So what we'll please write along with me. Let X denotes the income. X denotes the income of those 10,000 persons. So normally distributed with mean rupees 1750 per month and standard deviation rupees 50. So how we should write? We'll write X or capital X, doesn't matter actually. X follows normal distribution. What is the mean? 1750. তাই তো? It is given there that X is the income of the 10,000 families or 10,000 people. X denotes that income. So X follows the normal distribution with mean 1750 and standard deviation 50. And standard deviation 50. So that this group 95% had income exceeding 1668 and only 5% had income exceeding 1832. So what you have to find out, the question number one is a little different. So that this group 95% had income. So what you have to find out, income of the people who will be having more income greater than 1668. So probability, so that this group 90%, in this group 90% had income exceeding 1668. So probability X greater than 1668 is equals to 0.95. This is what you have to find out. You have to prove that income exceeding 1668 is 95%. 95% মানে হচ্ছে 0.95 and only 5% had income exceeding 1883. So probability X greater than 1883 is equals to 0.05. This is what you have to prove. You have to check. You have to find out. Okay? Is the question clear? So
Yes, sir. Sir, 1832.
183. Oh, sorry, 1832. No, 1832. Right, 1832. Right. So I have written 1883. 1832. So how to do it? Similarly, we will just, so we will find out probability X greater than 1668 is equals to or equivalent to probability Z greater than what value? Z greater than কি হবে বলো? 1668 minus 1750 by 50, which gives you কত হয়? Probability Z greater than কত হয় এই ভ্যালুটা? I think it will be minus 1.96 এরকম কিছু একটা,
Minus 1.64.
minus 1.64. So this gives you minus 1.64. So that means what is the required probability you have to find out? So if you draw, so minus 1.64 will be somewhere here, minus 1.64 is this point. So greater than means this is the required area. You can find in the table, from the table can you find out what is the probability given with respect to 1.64? Can you look at the table, what is given? Can you tell me what is the value, this value given?
0.4494.
1.64 তাই কি দেখছি, let me check.
Yes, sir.
I'm just checking.
0.494.
I'm just checking. 1.64, 1.64, 1.6, right? 0.4494 is given. So this area is given as 0.4494. This is given. So 449 is 0.45. So your required area is what? This is minus 1.64. So how to find out this area using this? বলো কি হবে? How to find out this?
Sir, 1 minus
1 minus, কেন 1 minus এর কি আছে? এই এরিয়াটা আর এই এরিয়াটা তো সমান. These two sides are equal. Is it okay? This
yes sir, yes
area is, and what about this value? এটা কত?
sir, 0.5
5. So that means this is 0.5 plus 0.4494. So that means 0.949. So which is approximately 0.95. Isn't it? And that proves our result.
yes sir.
That proves our result. And similarly, can you do the other part? Can you do the other part? Quickly do the other part. Yes.
Greater than
For the-
1832 is
So yes. So the other part we have to find out probability x greater than 1832, which is same as probability z greater than how much? What is the value of z? Z
1832. 1832 minus
minus 1750
minus 1750
by
divided by 50.
50, which gives you 1.64 or what? Huh?
That's 1.64.
Z greater than
Yes, sir. 1.64.
1.64. So that means you have to find out only this
1.64.
beyond 1.64. So this is the required area, isn't it? So this point is 1.64. And এই এরিয়াটা কত দেওয়া ছিল একটু আগে দেখলাম, we have seen how much we have seen. 1.64 the value.
Sir, 0.4494.
So 0.4494. This area is 0.4494. So that means this area will be how much?
Sir, 0.5 minus 44
Right.
point. Yes sir.
Right. So 0.5 minus 0.4494. So that gives you 0.05 approximately, isn't it?
Yes sir.
0.05 approximately. So that proves our result. That proves our question, whatever is being asked. So question number 2, the next problem is there are 1000 light bulbs with a mean life 120 days. So number of bulbs. Oh, acha, what was the lowest income among the richest 100? এই পার্টটা তো করা হলো না. We haven't found that. There was another part in the previous problem, তাই না? What was the lowest income among the richest 100? So how to do that? Anybody? So let's try that. So what was the lowest income among the richest 100? Among the richest 100. So richest 100 means it should be somewhere here, isn't it? So richest 100 means first thing you need to find out the probability. So richest 100 means probability. How to find out the probability? Richest 100 is 100 and the total number of persons হচ্ছে 10,000 ছিল না? There are 10,000 persons. So
Yes sir.
so,
Yes sir.
so the probability is probability is
0.01.
yes, 100 by 10,000. That is equal to 0.01. That means you have to find out
0.001 না?
না দুটো শূন্য 0.01 দুটো শূন্য কাটছে, it's
হ্যাঁ,
0.01
ঠিক আছে
1 by 01. হ্যাঁ, so you have to
হ্যাঁ, sir.
find out that value of x That means you have to find out that value of x. So probability x greater than some question mark. So you have to find out that value of x for which this probability is point 0.01. For which this probability is 0.01.
01.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is what you have to find out. Now in the table, 0.01 means what is this area? If this area is 0.01, what will be
So
this?
0.
Bolo?
Then sir 0.04.
Uh,
0.04.
0.04.
0.04.
কি করে 0.04? This area is 0.5 minus 0.01. That is
5.
0.49.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
0.49. This area is 0.49. So in the table, you find out that value of x for which, sorry, that value of z for which it is 0.49. So our objective is here. So we can write this way. We can write uh, here. Please write to find out probability x greater than say some value which is equals to 0.01, which is same as finding probability z greater than 0.01 some value. So from the table of standard normal table, we can find out that value of z for which the probability is so you can write what is the value of z. You can find out that value of z, which gives you 0.49. 0.49 কেন হবে বুঝতে পারলে তো? কারণ আমাদের এখানে যে টেবিলটা দেওয়া আছে, the table is given in this manner. This area is given. So if this area is 0.49, then this area will be 0.01. Do you get it? So can you find out what is the value? 0.49, 49.
Sir, 0.1879.
I'm just checking. 0.1879 na? It is 2.58, 2.5 না একটু আগে 2.4 এই তো 4890 or 490. It is around 2.4. দেখো in the table you can find 2.4, sorry 2.3. What is the end value? 2.39. The value is 4916, isn't it? 4913. এই যে 2.2 is 0.4890 and 2.3 is starting with 4893. 4893, then 4996, 2.31. So it will be around 4.489 can be approximated as 4.49. So that means this value of z is 2.3. So 2.3. So that means I can write probability z greater than 2.3 is equals to 0.01. So z greater than, so that means z probability z greater than 2.3 is equals to 0.01, তাই না? 489টাকে আমি 0.49 ধরে নিচ্ছি, এছাড়া আর কিছু বা আরেকটু হয়তো we could have 4890 and 4893 and 4893 and 4996. You can have a এখানে মনে হচ্ছে প্রিন্টিং মিস্টেক আছে, ওটা 4896 হবে. Can you see that? এই যে 4901 ও আছে, take that one. 2.35, 2.33. Can you see in the table? 2.33.
Yes, sir.
0.4901 is given. So 4901, we take that 0.49. Okay. So that means z value of z is.
Yes, sir.
So that means value of z is. So can you find the value of x then? Can you find the value of x? Because z equals to x minus mu by sigma.
Meanwhile,
Yes,
LT.
by sigma.
Yes, sir.
So So put the value of z as 2.33 is equals to x. Mu এর value কত? What is the value of mu? 1750, isn't it? And sigma is
Yes, sir. 1750 and 50.
so calculate the value of x. So x is 2.33 into 50 plus 1750. So that gives you 1866.5. So x equals to 1866.5. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that means the minimum value, the minimum income of the highest, richest 100 persons is rupees 1866.5. Because we have already said probability x greater than, now we have found out probability x greater than 1866.5 is equals to 0.01. So that means everybody who has got more than, how many persons have income greater than 1866.5? Only 100 persons. 100 persons has, because 100 persons out of 10,000, the probability gives you 0.01. So now we do question number 2. So 1000 light bulbs, that means we'll write n. N means number, or let us write this way. In small n is number of light bulbs is 1000. With a mean life 120 days. Mean life, how we are denoting the mean life? Mean as mu. Mu is equals to 120 days. Are installed in a new factory. Their length of life is normally distributed. See, everything is given as normally distributed. Length of life is normally distributed. So we'll write, let x denotes the length of life. X denotes the length of life. Means মানে হচ্ছে বাল্বটা কতদিন জ্বলবে, কতদিন চলবে. So that means here x follows normal distribution with mean 120 and standard deviation is 20 days. Given how many bulbs will expire in less than 90 days. So it is asking that how many bulbs will expire within 90 days. That means life of these bulbs will be less than or equals to 90. So expire in 90 days. That means here we are asking what is the probability that x is less than 90 or less than equals to 90. Less than 90 and less than equals to 90 will not make any difference. So can you find out this probability? For that we'll again do the same thing. So we'll convert it to z, standard normal variate. So what will be the value of z? So z will be less than how much? 90 minus 120 by 20, তাই তো? Because mean is 120
Yes, sir.
and standard deviation is 20. So this gives you probability z less than কত?
-1.5.
-1.5. হ্যাঁ, আমি কত এই কারণে জিজ্ঞেস করলাম, মাইনাসটা যেন বাদ না যায়, ও মাইনাসটা বাদ গেলেই গেল. So that means you have to find this probability. Look at the table and tell me what is the probability quickly. How to find out this probability? How we can use the table? How to use this table? Because your table, it is given this way, 1.5. This value is given. How much this value is given? Table কত দেওয়া আছে? 1.5 এর value. Quickly check.
0.4332.
বাবা এত বড়? Just checking. What is the value given? ঠিক বলছে? অন্যরা কেউ কিছু বলো।
Yes, sir.
0.4332।
4332.
0.4332.
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে এবারে তো হোয়াট ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড আউট ইজ z, এই ভ্যালুটা কত? দিস ইজ -1.5, সো দিস ইজ দ্য রিকোয়ার্ড প্রবাবিলিটি। কি করে পাবো? হাউ টু ফাইন্ড আউট দিস প্রবাবিলিটি? তাড়াতাড়ি বলো। হাউ টু ফাইন্ড? কি হলো? হ্যাঁ
স্যার আরেকবার বলুন।
Sir,
হ্যাঁ বলো বলো। হাউ টু ফাইন্ড আউট দিস প্রবাবিলিটি? ইউর প্রবাবিলিটি ইজ টু ফাইন্ড আউট কি z ইজ
sir,
লেস
2 into
দ্যান।
Sir,
Sir,
bolo.
হ্যাঁ বলো।
Sir,
থেমে
1
যাচ্ছ।
minus 2. 1 minus 2 into 0.4332.
অত দরকার ছিল না তো।
Sir, 0.5 minus
0.5
minus minus
0.43
minus minus. Yes, sir.
হয়ে গেল। আবার মাইনাস কেন? এটা তো মাইনাসটা হচ্ছে জেড এর ভ্যালু রে বাবা। এর সঙ্গে প্রবাবিলিটি ক্যান নেভার বি মাইনাস, কারণ দিস এরিয়া ইজ সেম অ্যাজ দিস এরিয়া, ইজন্ট ইট?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So because it is symmetric, তাহলে এই অবধি কত? দিস এরিয়া ইজ হাফ, তাহলে 0.5 থেকে 0.3332 বাদ দিলেই হয়ে গেল 4332। So that is the, so what is the probability? So it gives you 6 8 কত? 668, 0.0668 ঠিক করেছি?
Yes, sir. হ্যাঁ এটাই।
So
Yes, sir.
0.0668,
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ। And what is the question? Number of bulbs. So number of bulbs, so total number of bulbs is কত? 1000. So total number of bulbs is 1000, and the life of the bulbs will be less than his probability বেরিয়েছে 0.668. So that means what will be the number of bulbs? So number into probability, so that is 0.0668, that means 66.8 ঠিক করলাম? So approximately 67 bulbs. So out of 1000 bulbs, there will be 67 bulbs which will go out within 90 days. So that is the interpretation. So out of 1000 bulbs, do you understand what I have said? What we have found out? Probability. What we have found out? That probability that their life will be less than 90 days. Isn't this the meaning of this statement? Because we have assumed x is the life. X is the life. So what is the probability that we have found? We have found that as how much? 0.668. তাই তো বের করেছি? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no, something,
Yes,
say
sir.
something.
Yes, sir.
So that's the probability. Now probability of how many bulbs? Out of 1000 bulbs, so total there were 1000 bulbs. So this is the probability of the bulbs which will be going out within 90 days. Then how can we find the number of bulbs? Simply multiply with the number. So that means number of bulbs which will be having life less than 90 days or less than equals to 90 days is 1000 into 0.0668, which gives you 66.8. তাই তো? 1000 দিয়ে গুণ করলে তাই হয় তো? Which is,
Yes, sir. হ্যাঁ
Yes, sir.
এটাই আছে।
so it is 67. Hence 67 bulbs. So for second part, what is being asked, that if it is decided to replace all the bulbs together, so what interval should be allowed before replacement if not more than 10% should expire before replacement? Not more than 10%. So not more than 10% means how many? 100 bulbs. 100 bulbs to be left. Actually, I think I have 100 bulbs out of 1000 bulbs, 10% of 1000. So that means 100 bulbs. Not more than 10% should expire. So 100 bulbs. 10% is 100 bulbs. 100 bulbs should expire means probability 0.1 হবে নাকি 0.9 হবে? বুঝতে একটু অসুবিধা হচ্ছে। কি হয় বলো তো? ইংরেজিটা if it is decided to replace all the bulbs, সবকটা বাল্বকে রিপ্লেস করা হবে, ফাইন। What should be allowed? Interval should be allowed between replacement, মানে যবে থেকে স্টার্ট হলো is the time, so you have to calculate the time, মানে you have to calculate the value of x, fine। সেটা হলো if not more than 10% should expire, মানে not more than 10% মানে 100টা, ঠিকই আছে। so probability হচ্ছে 100টা। so what should be the life, so that the probability is 0.1. So from the table probability 0.1, find out the value of z actually. So find out the value of z for which the probability is 0.1. So probability z equals to, or z less than equals to question mark, that is equals to 0.1. So from the table, how can you find 0.1 means it will be in the table. What is the corresponding value you will find? Bolo, what is the corresponding value you will find? It's 0.4, isn't it? Eta jodi 0.1 hoy, so this will be 0.4. Please try to, because the probability is given that way.
Yes.
So 0.4 a corresponding value of z, find out from the table.
Yes, sir.
How much? 0.4015, এখানে একটা আছে 1.28 is 0.3997, ওটাকেই ধরে নি।
স্যার আরেকবার বলুন কোনটা বের করতে?
1. এই যে probability z greater than less than 0.1 মানে, so you have to find out that value of z for which the probability is greater than 0.1. This area is 0.1. So if this area is 0.1, then this area is 0.4.
0.4
So 0.4 corresponding value is 1.28 in the table, 0.3997 given. So this is given as 3997. So we are taking that approximately as 0.4. We are taking that approximately as 0.4. So that means now z less than equals to বলেছি, so it should be is the opposite. It should be like this, because this area is probability z greater than 1.28 is equals to 0.1. Have you followed? Can you follow this? This is 1.28. From the table we have got this. So this is 0.4. That means this is 0.1. So probability z greater than 1.28 is equals to 0.1. Similarly, z, but our objective was to find out probability z less than some value which is equals to 0.1. So a area ta this area is same.
Yes, sir. Then that will
This is
be
1.28,
minus
this will be
1.28.
minus 1.28. So that
Minus 1.28.
yes, so that means the value of z is minus 1.28. So if the value of z is minus 1.28, then what is the value of x? So z is x minus mu by sigma. So minus 1.28 equals to x minus, what was the value of mu? We are doing the question number 2. What is, I think 1750 না কত ছিল? What was the value of mu?
120
Oh sorry, 120 na, right 120 and 20. So
20.
calculate the value of x. Hence x equals to 1.28 into 20. So 94.4. Huh?
Yes, sir. 99.4. 94.4.
94.4. So that means after 94 days. So after 94.4 days, all the bulbs need to be replaced. Answer কি আছে? এই তো 94ই আছে দেখা যাচ্ছে। দেখো ওই সাইডে আনসার দেওয়া আছে 94. So all the bulbs to be replaced after 94.4 days. Okay? Number 5 now. So in a normal distribution, 31% of the items are under 45 and 8% are over 64. So how can I write this mathematically? In a normal distribution, 31% of the items are under 45. So let's write, please write, let X follows normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma. Please write whatever I am saying. X follows normal distribution with mean mu and yes. So question number 5 we are discussing. So it is given that in a normal distribution, 31% of the items are under 45. So we are assuming X follows a normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma. So how can I write that 31% items are under 45? So mathematically how I can write? So probability, yeah, bolo. Probability, I can't hear you. Please tell me. Probability X less than
Less than 45.
is equals to 0.31, 31%.
0.31.
31% মানে হচ্ছে percent means probability. 31% means 31 by 100. So 31% items are less than 45 and 8% are over 64. So how can I write? So if it is this, who can tell me? Not yeah, Pranto, don't say, somebody else. 8% are over 64. So how to write that?
Sir,
Yes, bolo.
probability x less greater than 64 is equals to 0.08.
Very good, 0.08. Yes, so these two conditions are given. What you have to find out? You have to find out the value of mu and sigma. Find the mean and standard deviation. So how to do it? So let's try. So we'll write this way. So probability x less than 45 is equals to 0.31. So which is equivalently probability Z less than what? Find out that. 0.31. So can you find that? Can you find that from the table? So less than 45, mind that. What will be, can somebody tell me what will be that value? So probability is 0.31. আমাদের যে টেবিলটা দেওয়া আছে সেখানে কিন্তু it is given as this area. So probability Z less than some value. তার জন্য what you have to find out, if this is 0.31, can I write this, the second part, can I write this as probability Z greater than some other value, say k is a constant, which is equals to 0.5 minus 0.31. তার মানে এই পয়েন্টটা হচ্ছে k, this point is k, and this point is 0.19. If this area is 0.31, this area is 0.19. Isn't it? One thing to be noted about the probability. What is given? The probability is given as 0.31, isn't it? Probability is given as 0.31, which is less than 0.5. And if it is less than 0.5 and we are writing probability Z is less than, that must be, the point Z must be somewhere this side, less than 0. It must be a negative value. Otherwise, it can't be 0.31, because if Z comes in this side and less than will represent this whole area, and which is more than 0.5. Do you understand what I have said? Unless it is this part of the graph, less than 0, because we know from minus infinity to till 0, this area is how much? This area is 0.5, and the given probability is less than 0.5. So it has to be somewhere here. Otherwise, this area cannot be 0.31. That's how, because less than means to the left. Less than means to the left. So you have to look for that particular value in the table. So look for that particular value in the table. So we have to find out that value of Z, this particular point. That value of Z for which this probability is 0.31. But in our table, it is given this way. It is given this way. Here, this probability is given. So as we have already discussed, this probability is 0.31, means this probability is also 0.31. That means this probability is how much? 19. That's what I have discussed in the previously. So look for that value of Z for which the probability is 0.19. So in the table, what we can find is how much we have said, 1879, 1915, 0.495, something like Z equals to 0.495 or 0.5, because here 0.5 the value is given as 0.19, how much? 1915, isn't it? Hello? At Z equals to 0.5, the probability is given as 0.1915, তাই নয় কি টেবিলে? আর
Yes, sir.
at Z equals to 0.49, the value is given as 0.49, the value is given as 1879. So the value must be somewhere in between 0.49 and 0.5. So we can take that as 0.495. We can take that as 0.495. So এখানে 21 আর 15, 21 আর 15 কত হয়? 21 plus 25 is so if you do interpolation, so it will be, I approximate a little bit, but we can take 0.495 or we can take 0.5. So for simplicity, we can take the value as 0.5. So that means probability Z less than minus 0.5. That's what you have said, na? is equals to 0.31 is equals to 0.31, which is same as probability x less than কত ছিল জানো? x less than কত ছিল? 45 না কত?
45.
45 is equals to 0.31.
31.
Mean by that z equals to 0.05 is same as x equals to 45. That's one condition. So when x equals to 45, then z equals to minus 0.5. So that is the conclusion. And secondly, second key relation দেওয়া আছে. What is the second relation that is given? Probability x greater than 64 is equal to 0.08. Like that? তাই তো?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
এটা বের করা সোজা. So this area is 0.08 that is given. তার মানে এই এরিয়াটা হচ্ছে 0.42. So find out that value. So that means probability z greater than কত হয়, which is 0.42. Can you find out? 0.42 is somewhere 1.4 1.41 it is 0.4107 and 1.42 তে it is 0.4228. So it will take the average, say 1.4415, something like that, or take 1.442, something like that, approximate, just approximate. So 1.42 is equals to 0.08. Do you get my point? আমি পরের দুটো point, because at 1.42 it is given as 0.4222. So it will be around 1.42. Maybe it will be around 1.4418, something like that. But we are not considering that. 3830 1.42.
So 1.405 you can take.
1.405 কি করে হবে? 1.405 4265 আসছে তো, তার আগে তো 4222 আছে। এই যে 1.41 এ আছে, 1.41 এ কত আছে? 0.4107, 1.42 তে আছে 0.4222, আমার তো requirement is 0.42. So 1.42 approximately, otherwise we cannot take from the table, otherwise the value has to be given. So what we can write is probability x greater than 64 is equals to 0.08, which implies probability z greater than 1.42 is equals to 0.08, which is same. 0.08. Okay, so that means the second condition that we get when x equals to 64, z equals to 1.42. So these are the two relation. From those two relation you can find out. So what are the two relations? এটা একটা, আর আগেরটা কি পেয়েছি? when x equals to কত জানো?
45.
35. z equals to minus 0.5, তাই তো?
35 sir, na 45.
45. When x equals to 45, z equals to minus 0.5. So use these two
Yes, sir.
relations to find out because we have the formula. What is the formula? What the formula we will be using? What is the formula we will be using? Please tell me.
So z equals to x
X minus
minus mu
by sigma, right? So do that. So z equals to x minus mu by sigma, তার মানে minus 0.5 equals to x কত ছিল তখন? 45 না?
Yes sir.
এটা একটা রিলেশন, আর একটা রিলেশন হচ্ছে 1.42, because that is the value of z. Then the value of x is what? 64 na? As mu by sigma. So this is the second relation. So solving these two equations, just solve, quickly solve and tell me what is the value. So mu minus, so equation is mu minus 0.5 sigma. So what are the two equation? Mu minus 0.5 sigma is equals to 45, তাই তো? আর একটা হচ্ছে mu plus 1.42 sigma, তাই তো? is equals to 64. সলভ করো, তাড়াতাড়ি সলভ করো কুইকলি। এটা থেকে এটা বাদ দিলে কি হবে? মিউ কেটে গেল, 1.92 sigma equals to 1.92 sigma is 19, তাহলে ওটা 1.4 ধরে নাও, 1.40 ধরে নাও। That means sigma is equals to 19 by 1.9, that is equals to sigma equals to 10. So sigma equals to 10, mu equals to 40. তাই তো? Solving these two equations, we can find out sigma equals to 10 and mu equals to 40. Now 40 na 50. Mu equals to 50. 45 plus 5, sorry, 50. Mu equals to 50, তাই তো?
Yes, sir. 50.